Jonah? Jonah, are you asleep? Okay. Malachi, are you seriously that bad at Fortnite? All you have to do is build. My bad, Jonah, are you asleep? Malachi, you woke up Jonah. You're so trash. Jonah, wake up. I saw this bucket of chicken in your refrigerator, and I just wanted to ask if it was yours. Oh no, I'm not eating it. I was just asking. Jonah, I just made you this ham sandwich and I realized you're allergic to ham. Jonah, did you have this food out on the ground? Bugs are gonna come. What's wrong with you? I'll just eat this, okay?